All right, let's talk about this. No system for identifying upsell signals. This is a big problem. Imagine Iron Man. He has his suit's AI to track everything, right? Your team needs the same thing. Without it, you're flying blind. Customer behavior is the key. Are they coming back for more? Looking at related products? These are the signals that tell you when it's time to upsell. With AI tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, and moksy.ai, you'll never miss those signals again. Track behaviors in real time and know exactly when your customers are ready to make their next purchase. Just like Superman always knows when to act, your sales team will be empowered to identify upsell opportunities before your customers even ask. Moksy.ai takes it to the next level, automating upsell alerts, personalizing offers, and ensuring no opportunity is missed. So don't wait, be proactive and start upselling like a pro.